And do you know chloroquine sulfate is rarely used in the USA since 1960s after so many lawsuits, which forced the pharmaceutical company Winthrop Laboratories to withdraw it, but it directed it to places and countries which do not have counter-checking systems, like Mexico and Africa. That's where we educated herbalists and herbal doctors come in handy to warn you and to guide you. You only need to listen, process, and take action at will. So it's not only on chloroquine, any other pharmaceutical drug that has sulfate, phosphate, etc. has issues with your body. And it's your liver now which is forced to overwork. And with this, it might fail. The liver fails. That's what we are talking about, the liver, taking care of your liver. Maybe I can dive into pharmacokinetics of this chloroquine. When you take chloroquine phosphate or sulfate, this modified salt binds with the melanin compound that determines your skin color. It's not only in the skin, it's also in the brain. So whatever happens to these places happens everywhere. It's also in the brain, it's also in the retina. That's what we have just talked about, retinopathy. It's also in the substantia nigra of the brain. This combination of chloroquine phosphate or sulfate with the melanin causes the toxicity. It prevents melanin from producing lamellar bodies, whose function is to produce substances that act as membrane barriers. So if it's happening in the brain, then the function of your brain will be weakened. This similarly happens to the eyes, the lungs, and other places where melanin is found.